Real steam equipment. And the sawmill. Old carriage mill, all folded up for the winter. Definitely been around a day or two. Oh, should have a field day with this place. They can just go bend an egg. So they got this set up so that they can, I guess, run it off from steam, or they can run it off from the internal combustion engine. That's pretty impressive. Be able to run it from either power source. The carriage mill. I don't know if I can get down here and... Oh yeah, there's them circle marks. What do we got here? Oh, that kind of looks Simon's. It's got a Simon's mark on it, so it's sort of a B pattern. That's a whole lot of teeth. Anyway, yeah, this has probably got to be a sight to see. This old dinosaur running. They just make a few boards and stack them up and get them to dry. Little rail car. Oh, that's just the slab woods. They need a little rack to put the slab woods in, and they can pick it up with some machine. You know, it's not like they don't have a shortage of machines around here to pick up the slabs and go pack it somewhere and do something with them. Anyway, yeah, we got all these farm malls here. Firewood. Guess you could use that to do firewood. Oh, that's lined up so that you can run it from the steam machine. Of course, I really don't know if it's functional. It'd be more likely for the internal combustion to be used than just a ton of farm halls. Every one of those sheds is basically full of farm halls. That is a lot of farm halls. And I guess these would probably be the trailers that they cart people around. That's the entrance there where they would take money during the event. So I guess this will be the last video for the Pikes Peak. Well, I want to call it the steam up, because I would say at the one in Oregon we actually have more steam powered equipment, but there is still some impressive equipment here. Thanks for watching. Bye.